Hey everybody, this is Tyler Hill at MarineMax here in Pompano Beach, Florida. We're your local Boston whaler dealer. Today we're going to do a nice walkthrough of this brand new 2025 24 Vantage dual console from Boston Whaler. Such an amazing boat. Rides like a 25 or 26. It's huge for a 24. Powered by a single Mercury 300 V8, naturally aspirated. Moves the boat along real nice. Trim tabs on this model. Beautiful concealed swim ladder. Gorgeous hardtop with the black powder coating frame. Lots of seating. This boat does a little bit of everything. Fish it, cruise it, dive it. Perfect for families. You can actually do water sports too. Look, there's a water sport attachment on the hardtop. Port side lounger gives you some different seating options. Beautiful cockpit for fishing. Pull out the bench seat when you're cruising for added comfort. Nice little countertop here for making drinks or serving food with some storage underneath it. Self-bailing cockpit, freshwater washdown. Says the upgraded stereo system as well from JL Audio. Lots of storage under the seat. You have the optional cockpit table that stores in the console as well. I'll show you how this. That beautiful backrest, beautiful seat. New upholstery for this year on this model as well. It's absolutely gorgeous. Digital throttle and shift controls. Beautiful 12-inch Simrad digital display. Rocker switches in the perfect position. And check out the head on this one. It's actually got a vacuum flush toilet and a sink in here. That is a yacht toilet. You can see all the covers for the boat as well. We bring them in fully equipped. Optional filler cushion here in the bow to make this a big lounge. You have another freshwater washdown up here and a concealed windlass underneath here with hand controls. You have a gorgeous block-off door. And then lots of storage. This is where I told you, dedicated storage for that cockpit table. This boat does a little bit of everything in a very manageable package. Floor storage here. Easy access to your batteries in the bilge area back here. Again, this is Tyler Hill, MarineMax Pompano Beach. Give us a call today, 954-783-9555. We are your South Florida Boston whaler dealer. Thanks for watching.